Hey everyone, welcome back to Blitz. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to become a successful freelance programmer. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, earn extra income, or just have the freedom to work from anywhere, freelancing and programming might be your perfect fit. So, let's get started. Step 1. Build a strong skill set. Before you can start freelancing, you need to ensure you have solid programming skills. This means mastering at least one programming language. Popular choices include Python, JavaScript, and Java. But don't stop there. Learn frameworks and tools that are in high demand, such as React for front-end development, Django for back-end, or even mobile app development with Flutter or Swift. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Your portfolio is your resume. It should highlight your best projects and demonstrate your skills and experience. Include a variety of projects that showcase different aspects of your abilities. For example, if you're a web developer, include websites you've built, both front-end and back-end. Step 3. Join freelance platforms. To find clients, you need to be where the clients are. Sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms can help you find your first gigs and build a reputation. Step 4. Network and market yourself. Networking is crucial. Join online communities related to programming and freelancing, such as LinkedIn groups, Reddit communities, or programming forums. Attend local meetups or virtual conferences to connect with other professionals and potential clients. Step 5. Manage your freelance business. Freelancing is not just about coding, it's also about running a business. This means managing your time, setting rates, handling contracts, and communicating effectively with clients. Tools like Trello for project management, Toggle for time tracking, and QuickBooks for invoicing can be lifesavers. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful freelance programmer. Remember, it takes time and persistence, but the freedom and rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for your coding success journey.